Hello, so in this video I will explain how to use context menu in FormIt application. To activate context menu, you need to click right mouse button. In basic menu you will see measure tools, linear and angle. So with linear you can measure distance from one point to another point. You click escape and it disappears. You can click measure angle. You select the base point, you select the axis direction, so now it goes by z direction, and you can measure the angle. And here we have a number. Next one is a lasso selection tool. So if you select this one, so you can draw lasso tool around the objects and it should select these objects. Click escape. If you want to draw on specific plane on your building, on your objects, you can change the drawing plane by clicking this one and selecting different location and click escape, and now you have different drawing plane and you can draw on this plane. If you want to go back, you need to click reset axis. If I want to draw something on my table, I do the same, change my plane and I can draw on table surface. If I want to do drawings on my side of my table, I just do the same, select the plane. Now I need to change axis location by changing these lines. And now I can draw on this surface. And this one is to paste. So if I select object, I can click Ctrl C and I can click this one, paste, and it creates a copy of my object. For more context menus, you need to select an object and click the right mouse, and now you have more menu options. So you can delete object, you can rotate object, you can scale object by the percentage, and if you click tab you can change the number to a specific number. And let's go back to 100. Click escape. If you want to scale non-uniform scale, so you can scale object by changing specific corners of the object. Also, you can click on the number and type the needed number, and it will scale object to a specific one. Let's go back. Next one, you can do array. Let's say it will be total length, linear, group each solid then array, and I want 3 copies. And I select my object and I just drag, and it nicely places objects in the line. Also I can copy object and later use past and make a copy. This one can help to mirror the object, so I can change mirror plane location, and it creates identical object in mirror position. Click escape and object is created. These are important elements, so you can create group from selected objects. You can edit the group. You can make group unique. You can ungroup objects and you can ungroup all. So if I will edit object, you can see all other same group objects will change. So if I don't want and I want to edit only this one, so I need to make unique group, and in this case, if I change the position of this element, it changes only this unique group. If I ungroup, I have each element object separate, and I can modify these elements. And also additional context menu, I can create this element to mesh, and I can extrude the mesh. And after you finish editing or creating a new object, always create new group. So object is in group mode always. Also, you can combine several groups in one group. Okay, let's delete these ones. Thank you for your attention.